welcome to my kitchen. This is Jordana and I'm glad to see you another day, or I'm glad you see me another day, even if it's only my hands, and for another beautiful recipe. And this time we have huevos rellenos, like stuffed eggs, something like that. And it's very popular for tapas and during the summertime. They're really tasty and they're fun to make. Now I have already boiled the eggs, I have them here. And the way that we start is by cutting the eggs in half and removing the yolk, putting them in a bowl aside. So I have now the yolks in here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to crumble them a little bit. Not mash them, just crumble them, so we can do all the filling again. So once crumbled, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. As always, I use pink salt whenever I can. And I'm going to stuff them with tuna. We're going to mix it well. This is really nice in summer. And for flavor, for taste, I'm going to add a bit of garlic powder. That will be to your taste. I'll add a little bit more. This is very fast, very quick. And then we're going to add the mayo. So again, mayo to taste. That will be whatever you want to put in there. So you mix it well. This is really brings memories from Spain when you go for tapas. Okay, so this is mixed. And now what we're going to do, we're going to fill our eggs. And it's not a big thing, just grab one egg and put the filling inside. And once filled, we're just going to decorate with a bit of parsley on top. Some people will put a little bit of mayonnaise on top of them, but I think these got enough mayo, so we'll put just a little bit of parsley, and this will be it. There is nothing quicker than this. So there you go, my friends, huevos rellenos with one trying to escape, and this will be our lunch for today. And this usually goes into the fridge for about half an hour, and then it's lovely in the summertime. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please subscribe to the channel. We have 3 recipes every week, and do share the love for food with the world. Let's all make these amazing dishes and enjoy eating them and making memories out of them. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!